So we're Tennessee's oldest town, and we are the storytelling capital of the world. We have the festival the first full weekend in October every year, but storytelling is alive all year long, of course, with the Teller in Residence program. We won't get to do that today, but it does happen May through September. And storytelling's alive in Jonesborough in a lot of ways, through events, the merchants you'll meet, so it's just a fun town to experience, and we have a lot of events, a lot of dog-friendly events. So we do a patriotic festival called Jonesborough Days, and during that we have the Dog Days of Summer dog costume contest. So it's like dogs in bikinis and dogs in patriotic wear, and Smokey, University of Tennessee's mascot, came down this year and he was our judge. So that was a lot of fun, great picture opportunity. And then during our Christmas and Old Jonesborough series, we have a dog parade and a dog contest. So we encourage people to bring their dogs. For Halloween, we do something similar. So we have a lot going on. We always have live music during the summer, and then storytelling, of course. So just something new all the time.